Sorry guys, there's some technical problem because of which the previous video got stopped in between. So I'm continuing the video now. Yes guys, so any doubts in the first two transaction guys? We are talking about, I think somebody asked me that, sir, in today's situation where we have the net banking, do we really have the system of BRS? Of course, very well we have the system of BRS, because today, even though net banking has come in place, the concept of giving the check and receiving the check is not abolished. So because as long as those systems are still there, you will have to prepare the BRS. Guys, are you able to understand the first two transactions as to why we added something and why we subtracted something? Can we go to the third transaction, guys? With the third transaction, I'll stop today. The next three transactions, I'll do it in the next class. Guys, the third transaction, it says that bank had credited 500 as interest, which was not recorded in the cash book. First of all, bank has credited 500. What do you mean by that? Bank had credited. What do you mean by that?
Increase in bank account, sir.
So basically, where is my whiteboard? Let me come here. So this is the bank statement. This is the bank statement. This is the bank statement. Bank has credited interest worth 500 rupees. 500 rupees has credited. So 500 rupees they have credited, which means what? Can I say this is the money that belongs to you? And because of this, the liability of the bank will increase. Hence, the bank balance will also increase. Guys, it says that bank had credited 500 rupees as interest, which was not recorded by the accountant in the cash book. So coming back, can I say now both the level, bank statement and the bank column of the cash book, both are at the same level. Now the moment when the bank credits 500 rupees, my real bank account, that is right hand side, will go up to the extent of 500 rupees, guys. To the extent of 500 rupees, this will go up. This is not going up because accountant has not recorded this in his books of accounts. So there is a difference. There is a difference. Guys, are you able to follow this, what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Who is right here? In our case, who is right? Bank is right. So what should I do? I
We should increase our balance.
I need to add my cash book. Left is my cash book. So left 500 rupees I have to add. In my cash book, I need to add 500 rupees. So add 500 rupees to my cash book. So if you come back, I added interest allowed or credited buying. 500 rupees is added to this 49,000 rupees. To this 49,000 rupees, 500 rupees is added. Guys, are you able to follow now? A little bit. So why are we adding and subtracting? We are adding and subtracting the amount to our bank balance as per the cash book, so that this amount will now, after adding and subtracting whatever the value we are getting, no, this will be equal to the bank balance. If you see here, from 49,000, what all is added and what all is subtracted, after addition and subtraction, the bank balance has become 37,400 in our book, which is equal to the balance as per the passbook. In balance as per the passbook also is 37,400. It is in bank also, it is 37,400. To match with this amount, we are doing addition and subtraction in our books of accounts. In our books of accounts. I only expect you to understand 10%, guys, today. That too, you know, what is the purpose of doing BRS? You will understand only 10% today. Remaining 90% is what we are going to understand in next few classes. Are you getting the pulse of what we're discussing today, guys? My question goes to Arman, Abhinaya, Afra, Aishwarya, Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand what I'm trying to talk?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bharat, Sarvesh, Bharat, Bokesh.
Yes, sir.
Chelna, Dinesh, Karunya, Keshav, Komal, Mansi,
Yes, sir.
Nandu, Nikhil, Rakesh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Deepana, Siddhi, Smriti, Shrikant, Saraswat, Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
Trust me, guys, this chapter is going to be really interesting. There's a lot of negative points about this BRS, you know, spread by the people who never understood this concept properly. But I'm telling you, if you really understand this, right, I love this chapter so much. It is so logical and it makes so sense. It is so enjoyable, you know. So I do a lot of sums. I like doing a lot of sums of BRS, right? So understand in the true spirit, give your 100% effort and have your wholehearted participation in this. Trust me, I'm telling you, BRS will become very, very easy for you. It's my responsibility to make your BRS chapter easy. All those people, those who say that BRS is tough, let them keep on screaming. You don't even take that into your ears. This is such an easy chapter. Just follow what I'm telling. Give your 100% concentration here. I will ensure that, and I promise you that I'll make this chapter easy for you. That is my guarantee and assurance. So with this, we come to an end of today's session, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet again on Tuesday and continue with this illustration 1. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.